Good morning students. In this video we will see some important vitamins and the chemical names of vitamins and the deficiency diseases that are caused by the vitamins. So vitamins topic is a part of nutrition chapter. If you want to see the nutrition full chapter, the link is given in the description and even in the end screens. You can click the link and watch the full chapter free of cost in this channel. So all the subjects 10th standard, 9th standard and even 8th standard, all the lessons are uploaded in the channel. Please go through the links. So today we are going to see some important questions from the topic vitamins. The first question is here. Sweet potatoes are rich in dash vitamin. Sweet potatoes are rich in dash vitamin. Sweet potatoes లో ఏ విటమిన్ ఎక్కువగా ఉంటుంది? Do you know the answer? If you know the answer, type the answer in the comment section. So the answer is pantothenic acid, vitamin B5. Vitamin B5 is the answer, right? So sweet potatoes and peanuts. Peanuts are also rich in vitamin B5. Sweet potatoes are also rich in vitamin B5. So do you know what the deficiency of vitamin B5 leads to? The deficiency of vitamin B5 leads to burning feet, walking problems and sprain. These are the problems caused by vitamin B5. Let's see the next question. Let's see the second question. Which disease is caused by the deficiency of ascorbic acid? The deficiency of ascorbic acid leads to which disease? Ascorbic acid ane vitamin తక్కువ అయితే ఏ డిసీజ్ వస్తుంది? So do you know that what is the other name of ascorbic acid? So what is the other name? Vitamins are given with some alphabet, vitamin A, vitamin B likewise. So what is the other name of ascorbic acid? The other name of ascorbic acid is vitamin C. So the deficiency of vitamin C leads to which disease? Scurvy. Which disease? Scurvy. So the scurvy disease, what are the symptoms of scurvy disease? The symptoms of scurvy disease are brittle bones. Bones get easily broken and cracks of lips, cracks at the corner of the lips. So these are the symptoms. So gum bleeding is also a symptom of vitamin C deficiency, gum bleeding. So when the vitamin C levels go down, the immunity also goes down. Vitamin C is very important for the immunity. To maintain a good immune system in the body, vitamin C is required. What are the sources of this vitamin C? The sources are citrus fruits, amla, Indian gooseberry. It is a good source of vitamin C. Citrus fruits, leafy vegetables, tomatoes. So these are all the good sources of vitamin C. Vitamin C is a heat sensitive vitamin. That means it gets easily destroyed by heat. So if these foods are heated, then the vitamin C is destroyed, right? So that is vitamin C. Let's see the next question. So the next question is, what is the chemical name of vitamin A? Vitamin A chemical name enti? So prati vitamin ki kuda chemical name anedi untundi. Vitamin A chemical name enti? Do you know the answer? If you know the answer, type it in the comment section. The answer is retinol. Retinol is the chemical name of vitamin A. So the chemical name of vitamin A is retinol. Retinol is present in the foods like carrots and pumpkin. It is also found in leafy vegetables. So leafy vegetables, pumpkin and carrot, even papaya, these are the richest sources of vitamin A. So vitamin A is needed for good eyesight, eye health. So for our eyes to work properly, to function properly, good amount of vitamin A is required, right? So deficiency of vitamin A leads to eye problems and even skin problems. Skin problems and eye problems are caused due to the deficiency of vitamin A. Vitamin A, that is the retinol, it is found in the foods in the form of beta carotene. The beta carotene is the chemical compound found in the foods like carrots and pumpkins. Once we take that into our body, it gets converted to retinol. Beta carotene converts to retinol. Okay, let's see the next question. So the next question, which vitamin deficiency leads to rickets? Which vitamin deficiency leads to rickets? Rickets వ్యాధి ఏ విటమిన్ డెఫిషియన్సీతో వస్తుంది? Do you know the answer? It is vitamin D. So vitamin D. Vitamin D, what is the chemical name of vitamin D? Calciferol. The chemical name of vitamin D is calciferol. So the calciferol is very important to maintain good bone health. If vitamin D is deficient, the bone deformities happens and the bones become brittle and they get easily breakable. The bones easily breaks due to the deficiency of vitamin D. What is the source of vitamin D? Foods like meat, eggs, these are the good sources. Milk, meat and eggs are good source of vitamin D. And for vegetarians, mushrooms are good source of vitamin D. So apart from the food sources, we can get the vitamin D from the sunlight. Sunlight exposure. If we are exposed to sunlight, our skin is exposed to sunlight, our skin can synthesize vitamin D. When the skin is exposed to sunlight, certain radiation, so the skin can prepare the vitamin D. So it is a free vitamin, the vitamin that we get free of cost from the sunlight, that is vitamin D. Let's see the next question. The next question, which vitamin is present in sunflower oil? Which vitamin is present in sunflower oil? Sunflower oil lo ఏ vitamin ఉంటుంది? Right? So what is the answer? Do you know? Vitamin E. Vitamin E. So what is the chemical form of vitamin E? The chemical name of vitamin E is tocopherol. Tocopherol. So do you know what is the importance of this vitamin E? Vitamin E is important for maintenance of fertility in males and in females. So vitamin E is found in the foods like seeds like sunflower seeds and even in the sunflower oil. So certain seeds have that vitamin E, right? Let's see the next question. So the next question, which vitamin helps in the clotting of blood? Blood clotting help chese vitamin ఏది? Right? So blood clotting is a process that is to prevent the loss of blood. If any time if there is a cut in the blood vessel, the blood it flows out, bleeding takes place. So if the bleeding is not stopped immediately, loss of blood takes place. So if a blood vessel is cut, that cut part is immediately plugged by the blood cells, and for this action some vitamin is required. What is that vitamin? Do you know the answer? The vitamin is vitamin K. So what is the chemical name of vitamin K? Do you know what is the chemical name of vitamin K? Phylloquinone. Vitamin K chemical name is phylloquinone, right? So this vitamin K is found in the foods like green leafy vegetables. So green leafy vegetables are the good source of vitamin K. So this vitamin K helps in the blood clotting. Milk also contains vitamin K. So the next question, hyperirritability and vomiting are the symptoms of which vitamin deficiency? So which vitamin deficiency leads to hyperirritability and vomiting? Do you know the answer? Which vitamin? The answer is pyridoxine. Pyridoxine, vitamin B6. So pyridoxine is also called as vitamin B6 and its deficiency leads to hyperirritability, and its deficiency also leads to anemia. Anemia is caused by the deficiency of vitamin B6. So what are the sources? What are the good sources of vitamin B6? Oil seeds and cereals. Oil seeds and cereals are the sources of vitamin B6. Okay. So let's see the next question. Which vitamin deficiency leads to low WBC count? ఏ విటమిన్ డెఫిషియన్సీ అయితే WBC ల్యూకోసైట్స్ నెంబర్ తగ్గిపోతుంది. సో దెర్ ఈజ్ ఎ కండిషన్ కాల్డ్ లో WBC. సో అవర్ బ్లడ్ కంటైన్స్ RBC, WBC. So the deficiency of some vitamin leads to less number of WBC in the blood. What is that vitamin? Do you know? That is folic acid. Folic acid deficiency leads to low WBC. So the deficiency of folic acid leads to low count of WBC. Folic acid is found in which foods? It is found in mutton, eggs, liver, leafy vegetables. They contain good amount of folic acid. So folic acid is given to the pregnant ladies. That is, for the development of the baby, folic acid is highly essential. So for that reason, the folic acid is given to the pregnant ladies as a supplement. So the next question, which health problems are created by the deficiency of biotin? So biotin deficiency unte ఏ health problems వస్తాయి? Do you know? Biotin deficiency leads to neural problems, neuro problems. So the answer is neuro problems. The deficiency of biotin leads to neuro problems, problems related to mental health and body pains. The deficiency of biotin also causes problems in the hair, nails and skin. Skin problems, nails problems and hair problems are associated with biotin. So people suffering from hair fall are taken biotin supplements. So it will strengthen their hair strands and hair health is also well maintained by the biotin. So the next question, which vitamin deficiency leads to poor hunger? ఏ విటమిన్ డెఫిషియన్సీ వల్ల హంగర్ అనేది తక్కువగా ఉంటుంది? Do you know? The answer is cyanocobalamin, vitamin B12. So vitamin B12 cyanocobalamin deficiency leads to a disease called pernicious anemia. Pernicious anemia disease is caused by deficiency of vitamin B12. Vitamin B12 is available in animal foods like meat, eggs, milk. They contain good amount of vitamin B12, but vitamin B12 is not present in the vegetarian foods. So vegetables and fruits do not contain vitamin B12. Then how the vegetarians get that B12? Our body can synthesize. Bacteria present in our intestines can synthesize vitamin B12, right? So if our gut is not having the right bacteria, then we may fall deficient of that vitamin B12. So that is another important vitamin. So this is all about the vitamins. So vitamins topic is a part of the nutrition, and if you want to see the full chapter nutrition, you can click the link given in the description. So by that you can watch the full lesson in English medium as well as in Telugu medium.